What's up, everybody? Aaron with Wayward Powersports back. I got Ty filming for me. I haven't seen you guys in a minute, so it's nice to be back. I'm going to be filming some more YouTube videos pretty soon here, hopefully in the winter time, because it's going to be slowing down here in the shop a little bit. Not many people need their bikes worked on. So we're going to be doing some more YouTube videos, putting out more bangers for you guys, so you know how it goes. Today, I'm going to be teaching you guys a little bit on throttle position sensors. We're going to talk a little bit about it because if you can see on that 2013 KX250F over there that I bought, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you've seen the Instagram post about it. I've posted about it before. So it was running great. And then all of a sudden it started breaking up in the mid-range, like probably 3 to 8,000 RPM, like trying to do wheelies, not very fun. It was cutting out, it was sputtering, and that was my first indication that it was either a fuel issue or something to deal with the throttle position sensor. So after ruling out that it wasn't fuel through various diagnostic tests that I've done, which I'll get into later, we ruled out that the throttle position sensor was the issue. So I'm actually going to show you guys real quick exactly what we did to test that. So we've got our multimeter in kiloohms, and we're hooked up in resistance. And this is the old sensor you can see with the dirt. We've got the new one right here ready to go. But I'm going to test both of them. So what we're going to do right here is simulate a throttle opening. And you can see right here we're at 5.25 kiloohms. Now, when we open the throttle on the sensor, we're going to want to see a voltage either climbing or going down consistently, not jumping up, not going down, not opening the loop, not showing OL or resistance, like a non-resistance. So we're going to be showing you guys that real quick right here. So I'm going to open the throttle and we're going to see this climb. We'll drop down. And we can see it's going haywire. Going all over the place. Let's put it in milliohms right here. That way we can see it a little bit better. Let's see here. And we can see that open loop right there, about halfway through the throttle turn. It's cutting out, going all over the place. What we're gonna do now is test the brand new one. We should see it smoothly go up. Change our range here. .6, and we're going to see it slowly fall down, not jumping around. And all the way down to 0.117 kiloohms. So that's how we can tell right there that it is in proper working condition before we go ahead and put it on, just like a bench test for you guys to be able to tell if your throttle position sensor is working properly or not. Again, we're in resistance, kiloohms, and we're just opening and closing the throttle and seeing how it acts. Thanks, guys.